Hi, I'm Johnny with Happy Valley Ranch. I'm going to be assembling one of our hoppers that fits our cider presses. It's an easy process. Just take your time with it. And there is a right and a left-hand side. There's the back, the bottom, and the front. Okay, we're going to start with the back. Either side you want. Hold it up. The holes are pre-drilled. Insert a drywall screw. You can do this with a screwdriver. Or a drill with a screwdriver bit. Keep your stuff lined up pretty good. Once you have the back attached to one side, flip it over. You will attach the other side using the same process. Hold it up. I say the holes are pre-drilled in here. There you have the back. Now we'll be installing the bottom. Fits in there just like that. It's easy to turn it around. The holes are pre-drilled. The same for this side. That is what the bottom should look like. Now we're going to install the front. That's the way it should look. Now we're going to mount it to the grinder. Okay, now we're going to install the hopper to the grinder. First thing you'll want to do is loosen the top 1/4 inch nut and washer. There's brackets that come with your kit. They're twisted. They will go over that bolt. Reinstall your washer. Reinstall the nut. Do not tighten. Do the same process for the opposite side. Do not tighten. Now you'll have to remove this top bolt. Completely out. The next two brackets are long straight brackets. You'll install one. They will be straight when you get them. You may put a little curve in them, and that would be perfectly fine. Do not tighten. Make sure everything's loose. Now we're going to place in your hopper. There is bolt holes. We're going to put the 1/4-inch bolts. They're 1/4-inch carriage bolts. The instructions will show you how all this goes. Once you have it in place like this, you can install your washers. Will be a 1/4-inch washer with a 1/4-inch nut. Repeat the process for every one of them. Fumble finger. Thank you. The process is the same for both sides. Once you have that, you can tighten you start tightening all your bolts back down. Make sure all your bolts are good and tight. Now you have the hopper installed onto your grinder.